Hey guys, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today we're going to go through my giant, very fat winter junk journal. I don't know if I ever showed you this. This was my dog's old tag, and my phone number used to be on the back of that, and it used to say "Good Dog." And we got him a new one, and the same thing has happened. You can't really see what's on it. But anyway, let's go through it. It was 41 degrees here today, which is amazing. This was my grandson's very first dentist appointment. And then I just decorated the page with tags from Christmas gifts that I had gotten my grandkids. And this is an envelope with a card. What is it? That my granddaughter sent me. This is an old drawing, or an old writing practice of Bethany's that I found and just put in that envelope. This is some health issues that I've been having. The frozen waterfall. My oldest grandson drew that. It's a portrait of my youngest son. I made this tag out of a gift box that my I got my son for Christmas as a joke, and we had gone to the mall, and it was like I guess a pride celebration, and I just had gotten some information. This is a little interactive tag. Another drawing of my grandson. This one is of his father when his father was his age, so that's kind of funny. Just some more packaging from Christmas. My birthday is shortly after Christmas, and this came with a present that my son had sent me and then from Amazon. Over here, I just have some tickets from the Mufasa movie. We took Bethany to. It was my grandson's third birthday. Was actually 2 days before my birthday, and we had a little party for him at our house with Bethany. Then, yeah, this is his party with Bethany, and this was at his house. These two are at his house, and he was dressed like Spider-Man for his birthday. This is a waterfall, and there's pictures of the birthday party at my grandson's house. This was a tag of shoes that I got him for his birthday. This was a birthday card for me, and an umbrella that I made this a pocket, and that's an umbrella that my daughter-in-law got me. This was a birthday card from my other son. I have a lot of sons and daughters, so I got some packaging from presents and things that they got me. This was like, you know how the umbrellas sometimes come in a case? I knew I'd never use the case again, so I put this here, and this is what the umbrella looks like. Yeah, under here is an article about my two daughters going to Nicaragua, like maybe 10 or 15 years ago. I just found it in a box, so I laminated it and put it in my journal. This is more stuff that I found with that. This is one of their dollars, I guess, or equivalent to $1. I put some lemon honey drop tea packaging in here and some other packaging. I found this thing that says cutie pie that one of my kids had made many years ago, and now I can't get it out, but you probably can see it anyway. I just laminated it. It's actually a pretty thick piece of cardboard, but that's in there. So on this page I have a receipt for the library that I went to. Gift tag with some journaling on it, an old Panera Bread gift card that was mine for my birthday. And then this was in the present that my son Brian had sent me. I found this old picture of my mother and father and Bethany, and I've talked about this before. This was actually, Bethany started getting sick on this trip when we were visiting them, but we didn't know what it was yet. But this is one of the last pictures of my dad. He and Bethany got cancer at the same time, but Bethany had brain cancer and he had prostate cancer. And he did not survive. Obviously, Bethany did. So I've found that picture. I've got some of my current tea bags, a little tag in there that I wrote on. These all could be pockets. If I wanted them to be, I could put, stuff in there. Here's another thank you card. Oh, that was for my grandson's birthday. There's a tag, and there's another picture in there. It seems to be stuck, though. This is Bethany and Isaac painting. We went over their house that day. Bethany had a great time playing video games with her brother and painting with Isaac. This is my oldest granddaughter. She was in a concert. She sings. She takes singing lessons. This is my daughter Rachel. Of course, my grandson Isaac. I was babysitting that day, and he is almost always dressed up like Spider-Man, Superman, or Batman. And we were making skeletons. He is obsessed with skeletons, and being a superhero. This is another one of Bethany's practice wording, letters, her name. I don't know how long ago it was, but it was a long time ago, because she can write her name pretty well now. Yeah, I joined Silver Sneakers, but I actually haven't gone anywhere yet. I haven't gone to do it yet, unfortunately. I could do it online, though. This is more of Bethany's family portraits. We had gotten this garland to make a craft that we're going to use next Christmas. This is a new hat that we got Bethany. Dad and Bethany drinking coffee. Oh, I got these at Dollar Tree for to decorate for Valentine's Day. That was on Bethany's hat. And I have these tags in here, but I forgot about decorating them, so they're there. I don't know. I can do some of that later. This was Valentine's Day spread, and I made a patchwork tag, and there's a picture of Bethany on the back. That goes in there. I do have a whole video on that. And then this was my grandson dressed as Batman this time. And he came over and we were making more skeletons, as you can see. I babysit him every Thursday, actually. My Thanksgiving cactus is blooming. It's actually got a lot more blooms on it right now. It bloomed for Valentine's Day. My other grandchildren, I had sent them some stuff for Valentine's Day, and they were working on it, and my granddaughter was holding a little goat. And over here we got another family portrait. My grandson loves these, so I keep them on in supply for him when he comes over. This was a Valentine that my granddaughter sent me. In here there's just another family portrait. I think of pictures, some pictures. Some information. Oh, this is a car bingo thing that we do with Bethany. She likes to do that. We started that in 2020 when you couldn't do anything but go for a drive. This is a craft that Bethany did while she was here, and another Valentine candy. My son's 23rd birthday, my youngest son. I think I wrote about that on the back here. We didn't get to see him yet because he's away at college, but he's coming home in a couple weeks. And that's him there in front of this mural. I got him some Jelly Belly socks. He loves Jelly Belly jelly beans, and I thought it would be funny to get him those socks for his birthday. This is some stuff that he bought. He does all kinds of stuff with that. I don't know. This is a journaling card that I have not written anything on yet, but it says you can do it. So he can do it. He can definitely do it. He's very smart. Computer engineering, that's his degree. Well, it will be his degree. Another craft that Bethany made, and I put another of her family portraits down there. And over here I put a snowflake, some peppermint tea box, and a it's a bookmark I put in there, and that's just a piece of mail that actually went to my brother after he died, and so I kept that. And that's it for this one, except for those journaling cards that I need to fill up. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.